Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Today we will talk about common grammar mistakes. My name is Neha Smyth. I am from New Delhi, India. Committing grammatical errors is quite common, even among people who are native English speakers. Again, there are many who have excellent vocabulary but fail to reproduce the same in a flawless, rather error-free sentence. Let us take a look at the most common grammar mistakes that are committed many a times. The word grammar is often misspelt as grammar. While we speak, these mistakes do not count. But when we write the words, such basic mistakes are unpardonable. Professor Takamitsu Sawa says, "I believe that post-war education, which has focused on entrance examinations, has ruined society." Professor Takamitsu Sawa, the Institute of Economic Research, Kyoto University, Daily, Yomiuri, Japan, p. 12, December 14, 1999. Consequent to the email and mobile texting language, numerous silly yet common grammar errors have infiltrated the language and its flow. For example, we tend to write you instead of you, again instead of your. There are various instances wherein such language slips are noticeable. These are definitely not grammatical errors, but they contribute to the construction of a faulty sentence. Here are some of the grammar mistakes students most often commit. Two past tenses used simultaneously. For example, didn't knew. The correct structure of this phrase should be didn't know. The error of using incorrect apostrophe. For examples, Francis's bike is wrongly written as Francis's bike. In the same way, people also confuse whose or whose, its or its, among others. Mistakes while using that is, and for example. That is stands for that is, which is used to provide an explanation, and for example is used to cite examples. Another common grammar mistake is the use of who and whom. Who is the subject of a clause that it introduces, whereas whom is the object of a preposition. Many a times we misuse the words than and then. Than is used to compare and are usually associated with words like more, less, taller, so on and so forth. Then refers to time. E.g., let me complete my homework, only then I will visit the supermarket. These are some of the common grammar mistakes made by people in their day-to-day writing of letters, documents, and the like. A little effort to read and understand the sentence construction can help us avoid such mistakes further. There are other words like affect and effect, ensure and insure, chose and choose, loose and lose, and so on. Out of the innumerable grammar errors that we commit throughout our lives, these are some of the best instances to refer to. It is imperative to understand that regardless of the fact that you are not a native, mistakes are common among all. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.